So I want to use this towel here as an example of the properties of microwave radiation. Now this was used in the same experiment with this guy and a few other things. What you see here is how it was burnt through the energy. All right, I was using this to insulate metal from the microwave, from the cage, from the Faraday cage and the metal. And in each case, the energy would jump straight through this and to the other side. So if this was sitting on top of it, it wouldn't be enough to insulate it. The gaps is too small, and it burned right through. The energy went right through it. As you know, a cloth like this will not burn in a microwave oven if you put it in there. Unless maybe you soak it in water, because it affects the hydrogen molecule. But you see that if it's touching metal, that the energy will cause this to happen. Very destructive, all right? It wouldn't ordinarily happen. So in relation to the whole belief that a tinfoil hat is going to shield you from microwave radiation is demonstrably false. And those selling these products, like the EMF beanies and such, their partial shielding does not work. It attracts the energy, like a fork in a microwave. It accumulates it, and it will cause damage to anything that's touching the metal. Or, yeah, in this case, this isn't even enough to shield it. I would have to double this like 4 times. But you see here, the metal wasn't touching here, and that's safe. It wasn't harmed. But anywhere the metal was touching was decimated. So if you're wearing these products in the presence of a microwave field, this is going to be your reality. This is an extreme example that you can visually see. But you're not going to be able to see it unless you're in this high of a field, which is entirely possible if you're anywhere near the NextRad towers. But it's going to attract the energy that's there. It's going to transfer it to anything that's touching it, which would be, in this case, your head. So the belief that this is going to protect you is demonstrably false.